Hey everyone, welcome to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the future of performance, the Nissan R36 GT-R. This highly anticipated successor to the legendary R35 has been shrouded in speculation and excitement. But fear not, for we're here to peel back the layers and unveil what we know so far. The GT-R name carries a weight of history. Since its inception in 1969, it has carved its place as a Japanese icon, a symbol of cutting-edge engineering and raw power. Each generation has pushed the boundaries of what a car could be, leaving a lasting impact on the automotive world. The current R35, now in its 14th year, has become a legend in its own right. Its potent twin-turbo V6 engine, all-wheel drive system, and sophisticated aerodynamic design have consistently delivered heart-pounding performance. This is the Nissan Hyper Force concept, a surprise reveal at the Japan Mobility Show which could preview the next GT-R supercar. Read on for all you need to know. New Nissan Hyper Force revealed. All-electric replacement for the GT-R. Bonkers exterior design promises 1,340 horsepower. Clever solid-state batteries, crazy interior layout. Nissan has revealed a potential replacement for the GT-R. Called the Hyper Force concept, it's an all-electric supercar touting some impressive performance figures. It has a whopping 1,341 horsepower from its electric motors, almost 800 horsepower more than the current GT-R, and it'll use revolutionary battery technology as well. Now let's talk about new Nissan Hyper Force design. Looking at this concept, you can see why it's being lauded by the press as a replacement for the R35 GT-R. It has a similar profile to that car, however it's been given a bonkers makeover. Aerodynamics is the name of the game here. There are active winglets up front to help channel air over the car and push it into the ground. And that massive air scoop in the lower bumper not only makes it look like some sort of bottom-feeding fish, it helps manipulate the airflow. It's the silhouette of this car, which brings the current GT-R to mind. However, you don't have to look too hard to see the array of bold creases and crazy fins. The rear wheel arches are massive, giving the car a muscular appearance, and there are yet more active vents on the front wings. In true concept car style, the doors open upwards for maximum dramatic effect. That massive wing helps push the back wheels into the tarmac. And there's a dual-level diffuser that smooths airflow at the rear, the twin-tail light. Design is reminiscent of the GT-R models which came before, although it has a modern LED signature. Now let's talk about new Nissan Hyper Force motors and performance. Nissan hasn't revealed many details around the powertrain for this new supercar, however it will be all-electric. The brand has also promised a power figure of 1,000 kilowatts, which is 1,340 horsepower. That's a massive increase over the current GT-R. That car has 550 horsepower from its 3.5-liter V6 engine, being an electric car though. The Hyper Force is likely to be carrying some extra weight, but not as much as you might expect. That's because this concept uses clever solid-state batteries. Not only can these be charged faster and provide better range than traditional packs, they are also lighter. Can I buy a new Nissan Hyper Force? In its current form, sadly not. The Nissan Hyper Force will inspire a new road-going supercar in the future though, so keep an eye out for it over the next few years. In 2023, Nissan unveiled the Hyper Force concept, a stunning vision of what a future GT-R could be, with its sleek aerodynamic design, advanced technology, and futuristic interior. The Hyper Force hinted at a radical departure from the traditional GT-R design. While the production R36 may not be as extreme, it's clear that the Hyper Force offers a glimpse into the car's future direction. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at the legendary Nissan R36 GT-R. from its powerful engine and cutting-edge technology to its aerodynamic design and track-worthy performance. The R36 GT-R continues to push the boundaries of automotive excellence. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey through the Nissan R36 GT-R. If you have any thoughts, questions, or want to share your own experiences with this iconic machine, drop us a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive adventures. Until next time, stay fast, stay furious, and keep the rubber burning.